So we rented this apartment from hotels.com because we are gaining one night per every 10 nights that we stay in hotels.com. So it's basically 10% off for us. It was $80 for 3 nights, including all taxes here. But we are getting 10% back. So for us, it was $72. So this is Ceylonz is a residential building, but there are some companies that rent some units from here, like hotels or short rentals. But I'm guessing if you want, you can rent this place for a long term. The company that we rented through, we saw the name on hotels.com. It's called Mana. But I also saw G Suites company's pictures of this unit, and it was exactly the same. So I'm guessing they are the same company or working together. So we were worried for the check-in instructions, but then I contacted them via telephone, and they told me that just approach the front desk. They knew about our reservation when we arrived here. They asked for 300 ringgits of deposit. So they take it in cash and give it back to you in cash when you are checking out if there is no damage to the apartment. But we didn't have any ringgits on us. They accepted $50 and they gave us a receipt for it, which they will give it back. But Gökay read some horror stories. There are many short rentals like this in KL, and some people mentioned they couldn't get their deposit back because they were, you know...
Actually, they were conned because, according to the reviews, yes, and they charge half of the money in vain from the customers. We'll see if the same case will be here, but...
Some of the reviews said that, for example, there's a stain on the carpet and they claimed that they did it even though the stain was there in the beginning. They just tried not giving back the cash, but here I saw a professional approach. So I'm guessing there won't be a problem because we were, you know, in contact with the front desk, not with some guy.
But still, I'm going to take pictures of some problems and show to the front desk.
Took the video, so.
Yeah, maybe.
But another problem is I really wanted a fancy swimming pool in the middle of KL with all the high-rise buildings because I really liked that vibe. But what happened is, even though today is a Sunday, we learned that today the pool is being treated and it's not open today, and for tomorrow they are not even sure. So that's a bit of a disappointment, but we will contact the company about that and write maybe a complaint.
Actually, if you read other rentals reviews, that's another, you know, approach. Because they don't want too many people use the pool, and some days,
especially on weekends,
suddenly they close the pool.
That happened to us before when we were living in KL 5 years ago. We were renting an apartment in the very center of KL, a studio unit, and our pool was being, you know, renovated, or sometimes it needed some maintenance.
On every long weekend.
Every long weekend, or on Sundays sometimes. They
Raya.
Yes, and I think today is the Easter weekend. Maybe there are some people coming here on holiday, so they wanted it maybe not to use so much. We will film the other parts of the building, by the way, but for now, as a first impression, I really love the apartment. And although it was a bit difficult to contact with the owner, I think there is no any problem right now. Everything seems nice for me. And tomorrow morning, we'll have breakfast on that table.
We'll update with the coming videos.
We came to our rental unit in Ceylon Suites. We rented it from hotels.com via a company called Mana. And this is a studio apartment. There is the kitchen in the entrance. And then first I'm gonna go show the living room. There's a comfy couch here, a double bed, a beautiful dining room just for us because we love dining, watching outside. There's also a day bed here that you can spend some time on. I'm believing there is a smart TV, Netflix and everything. It's a bright room, which we really like because in Southeast Asia sometimes you get dark windows, but this one has a beautiful view and not so dark windows. The chairs seem comfy. And the bed seems clean. We have a huge wardrobe there, And we have all the kitchen facilities. Now I'm going to show you. We have a stove, a kettle, microwave, and a huge fridge. Unfortunately, it's empty because we are only staying for 3 days. And I think we have the kitchen stuff here. You can even live long term here because you have a lot of cupboards and everything. Also, there is a closet space here at the entrance where we stuffed all our mess for you. There is filtered water, yay! So we don't have to buy water. And more cupboard space if you want to live here. Now I will show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a washing machine, which is included, but I think you have to buy your own detergent. There is a hanger, there are hangers here, which is really good because I love hanging my clothes. The shower is modern. There is only shampoo and shower gel is included. And here we have a big mirror, which is handy for me to have my makeup. This is a very comfortable room, and the first impression is it's a clean apartment. Gökay is a little bit curious. This is the entrance of our building, Ceylonz. Because it's in Bukit, Ceylon, the building is called Ceylonz. There is also parking here. There's an underground parking if you come with your own car. There is a Grab pickup point. There is always a concierge in the main lobby, and the main lobby looks like this. See, I really like the pool with the koi fish here. And there is the cafe. Now first let's look at the koi fish swimming here. With the amazing view again. And I think it's also going this way. Look at those amazing fish. I really like it how they turn every corner into a joyful designed place. Mostly they are left empty, but we like it when we find them and play with them. This cafe is offering breakfast and also lunch, I think, but I don't see no one here. Is it closed? It looks closed. 3 p.m. Oh, so it's closed at the moment.
It says all day breakfast, but actually it's until 3 p.m.
Yes, so they have a buffet breakfast for 30 ringgits per person. That's a good price, $7.5 US. But you can find better food outside, I think. Okay, so this is the 7th floor. building, Ceylon suites have some pocket gardens on several floors. This is floor 13 and we are exploring it as we film it for you. Wow, what is this? Is this a survivor? I don't know, it looks like a station. Oh, it's a walk hanger. So walk with different level of step by holding the rope to give you balance and support. So you want to try Kyokai or not?
It's designed for children 5 to 12 years.
So not for us. No. Okay, I'm just gonna try and walk between them just to give you the experience. Anyhow, if you are older than 12, then I think you are here for the view. The view looks amazing. Can you believe that we have lived in Kuala Lumpur more than 5 years and haven't still visited this park because of the mosquito attacks I had? The building, Ceylonz building, is very central actually. We are only 800 meters from Masjid Jamek station. KL Tower is right across us, and right in front of our door we have the KL Eco Park, which is a rainforest piece right in the center of the city. You can even see the forest walkways, you can see the skywalks, and our pool is looking at the beautiful view of KLCC. And by walking, Pavilion is only 2 kilometers and there is a free bus going right in front of our door. The pool is open! So they told us that it was going to be open tomorrow, but today is open. And the sun is out. The pool is behind us. This is the only pool of the building. It's on the 37th floor. It has a magnificent view at night and also at daytime. You can see the KL Tower and the Twin Towers there. And the water looks really clean, and I think the pool looks nice. The problem is there are too little sunbeds, I think, like maybe 5 or 6 sunbeds for the whole building. But there is a restaurant here. Let me show you the restaurant. They have tables here, and the restaurant is closed during daytime, so you are using its tables, which are under the shade. By the way, you can have a towel here. They give you 1 towel per person, and you can use it freely, so no need to bring your own towel. And this is the pool during daytime.